Claude AI can integrate with Google Calendar through connectors available in the Claude desktop app. This connection allows Claude to access selected calendar data, enabling AI-assisted schedule management, event summarization, meeting preparation, and workflow automation. This tutorial outlines the steps to link both platforms. Steps to connect Claude AI to Google Calendar. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Customize option. This is typically found in the menu next to Skills. Inside Customize, locate a section called Connectors. This section allows you to link Claude with other tools such as Google Calendar, Google Drive, or Slack. Click on Connectors. You will see a list of available connectors. Click Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Google Calendar in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Google Calendar, then click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. This requires logging into your Google account that has access to the calendar you want to connect. Follow the on-screen steps, enter your login details, and grant the requested permissions. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Google Calendar you want to connect. Choose the appropriate calendar and confirm your selection. Once all permissions and calendar selections are confirmed, the connection will be established. Claude is now linked with Google Calendar. This integration is best suited for users who want to leverage AI assistance for schedule summarization, meeting preparation, or time management within Google Calendar. Conclusion: connecting Claude AI to Google Calendar involves opening the Claude desktop app, navigating to Customize and Connectors, searching for Google Calendar, authorizing the connection through your Google account, and selecting the desired calendar. Once linked, Claude can interact with selected calendar content based on the connector's permissions and capabilities.